or the blog within the builder is actually just an asset that we've created in which you can assign dynamic fields. You can create your own, and that means you can set up review sites or any other kind of site that has repeating features. To do that, under Custom within the CMS sidebar, select Create Custom Asset. Give it a name, and then give it a plural name. And the asset slug will take it from the plural name. Select an icon. And now you have the ability to add the fields. When you had created the first post, you saw that you had a title for it, you had an excerpt, you had a featured image, and that you also had the slug. The movie review title and the slug here are baked in, but the rest is up to you. I want to bring in an image for this movie, so I'll bring in an image, select it, go to the settings and give it a name. Let's call this one Movie Poster. And you can add a description here and select whether it's required or not. Next, I want to have a small little text of the release year. I'll click on Text, go to T, Release Year, Required, and you can again add description as well as placeholder text, give it a minimum length or limit the maximum length. From here, you will notice at the bottom all the fields: text, rich text if you need longer text, an email section, link, select, the image we've already worked with, number, reference, and multi-references. With these, you can create subcategories for those like horror, romance, and adventure. In this case, we've created the dynamic content that we need for our new custom asset. I will click Create and Continue. Go ahead and add a new movie, but what about those categories that we've talked about? Select again Create Custom Asset, and now we will bring in those genres that we've talked about. I'll call this one Horror, and leave the rest. Click Create and Continue. Go back to Movies and Review, click on the Configuration button, and select Reference, and from Reference we choose an option, and next to Reference select Horror. Now you are referencing this as a category. Observe in the sidebar when I click Save and Finish, and now it will be part as a genre under Movies